If you're thinking of changing your life in no small way, and then you're not so satisfied with the things you have at right now, and you lose a lot of opportunities in your life, just stay to the end of this video and I will tell you how you can change your life from a failing state to a consistently succeeding state, and how you can keep attracting opportunities and never get to lose them. My name is Abiodun Mustafa. I'm a personal development expert, business strategy consultant, an author, and an educator. You know, in the past, when I was much younger, I used to be an individual who always failed in school. I used to be that individual who lost a lot of opportunities, and for those reasons I was not able to really grow and become the best in the things that I do. And then right now I've had the ability to gain a lot of the opportunities I lost. I've been able to transform my life. I succeeded so well, and I was amidst the best student in my department when I was graduating. Now the question is, what really changed? What really changed was that my mind changed. I was able to work on my mind, and I was able to follow certain principles that turned my results around, and that was able to bring me to a point where I became influential, impactful, and I became demanded to be able to impact and influence a lot of people. Now, how can you also do this? You can learn this by understanding your mind and being able to leverage the power of your mind. There's a lot of secrets in your mind, and until your mind changes, you will not be able to transform your life. You must understand that your mind is the boardroom where the decision of your future is taken. And until you can leverage your mind, understand your mind, leverage other things in your mind, you will not be able to become the best that you choose to be. You would only consistently desire, long to become anything great, but at the end of the day, you find out that you are not able to attain them. And that's why I'm offering you the book, Mind Shift, The Secret and Power of Your Mind. The Secret and Power of Your Mind. And I want you to go right now, go to the link in the description section and get a copy of this book. It's very affordable. It's available as an ebook. You don't need to wait for delivery. You just need to go to that link, you make payment, and you can download your book immediately and begin to transform and change your life. So this is what I really want you to do. Just go right now, get a copy of that book, and see your life change in no small way. There are a lot of testimonies that bound from the book, people whose lives are changing, people who are renewing their mind, people who are transforming their lives, and people who are making massive results in the things that they do. You know you can be the next person. Go right now, get a copy of that book. If you're outside Nigeria, there's a link available for you to be able to download a copy of that book. Even you can change your life.